Welcome to 28 McNiff Street in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a 3-bed, 1-bath unit in the 3rd floor. You walk into your open kitchen/dining room area and you have an electric stove with stainless steel appliances, and you have wood cabinets in good condition. You have a white tile backsplash, and you also get a stainless steel sink with a spray nozzle. You have a gas room heater to heat up the whole unit, and you also get a utility closet. This room can be used as an office. You have gray vinyl flooring all throughout all bedrooms. This unit is pet friendly and also has laundry and storage available. You have a spacious living room area with outlets on each side of the room. You have a second bedroom with its own closet. This bedroom can fit a full-size bed set or a twin. You have your third room, which brings in lots of natural light in. You also get vinyl flooring and outlets on each side. You have the bathroom area, which includes a medicine cabinet, a full-size tub, and tile flooring. Renting with Nexus Property Management, you get the perks of paying your rent online, filing maintenance requests, and chatting with staff live 24/7. Subscribe to the channel and go to nexuspropertymanagement.com for more rentals.